An avocado farm tour. Today, let's you see a small farm of avocado and how people invest on it. See, those are small avocado trees. After 3 years, these ones can produce fruits. See, these are the big ones. In January, people start harvesting on over this plot. See, it's an avocado farm tour. Enjoy it. Small avocado farm tour. On the comment down there, tell me, how do you buy avocado? How much do you buy avocado in your country? How do you buy avocado in your country? Here farmers do sell $0.75 per kilogram. See, like this. These are the big ones, but there are few. Farmers here have started investing in another plot here. Look until there, but this side they are looking very small. Beans. I will see beans in this. See beans over here. It's amazing. Vegetables. See, farmers call it mixed farming, something like that. Mixed farming. Avocado trees, maize, beans. All of these crops have been grown in a single plot. See that side? Those are the avocado. All those are the avocados. People here invested much in avocado. Tell me, how much do you buy avocado in your country? Here, farmers do sell $0.75 per kilogram. How much? And 1 kilogram consists of maybe 4 to 5 avocados. Yes, 4 to 5 avocados. 1 kilogram. See round potatoes here. Round potatoes are here. Those who like chips. Chips. These are your crops. See pine trees. Those trees used to produce timber. All of them. There are about 22 hectares of it. See this? Oh, I'm not yet started to produce fruits here. See there? Let me pick some avocados and you will see how we pick. We will climb up the trees and we pick some avocados. See? No, yeah. No big avocados here. Yes, here they are. Oh, where they are even? My pocket. Where I left my pocket? Oh, I lost my pocket. Let me find another bag. Oh, I lost the pocket. See some pineapple? There are pineapple here. And the other one over there. See? Let me find another sack. Yeah. To clear some avocado. This one is broken. Oh, found a new one here. New one. Let's climb on this tree. Then we shall see. See? Let me keep it in a safe place. Oh, this was not good. See my sack there.